said it after we lost it against Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to get to the final, and it's already kind of success. I don't know what success you want to have, but I have the strong feeling we can win. I cannot believe, but I really have lots of this because we were able to win this competition, really difficult competition. But at the end, we had
I think that everybody sitting at the table would have whipped Mike Tyson. Muhammad Ali had, of course, more experience with tougher guys. He fought Sonny Liston, George Foreman, Joe Frazier, Mike Tyson with him.
All right, so Pana the 3.1. Ya chance ya bomo dena. Yet me Eddie Shootout Juma dena baba be rameti me da ma yetima. Konsise no na bebo na ya PG muna fidi akibia. Atu aswede ama na fidi ma Michael Akomia Jemfi na Jemfi o fidi wa. Ene nana de me be rura na nsem wa chichira fi minu Abib Mohammed. Precise Efrema joining ani obey and guest na nkoma odo na ye di Michael Zarbo Bishop Atapoku na fi Apostle munyina boa na sheshera ku yera my producers no ye wonas Ricardo Vaz era fi ye wo Nana Adodankwa Akufo Ado Tiwa no munyina boy yechudom na Nana Safo so no ejicho ye ntoto ye na boa na sheshe no ada ye preti mera ma dini abudiabi ye bra transenia ye djuma si aboafo bi adaroma na ahoden na bane aba betrama ye djuma na aboa ma ntoto yera ku yipa etimi edi amana ne ye kan etimi edi achoze orwani chim na hwe sere nema esie kona na jezem receive no ye be didi nkoma na aboa na ntoto ye no adeda ye pretimi edi amamo kama pa na nema so no etimi akoyi na mom no medamo ketua bi mekwede bape na afimaba na de akibia no masande ato aso etimi edi amamo.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you?
No, I was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready?
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa FM. Sompa Sports. I said it after we lost it against Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to get to the final. Sompa FM. Sompa FM. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. All right, ya bobo de na yetimi akona ya kwa koto aso kama pa etimi da mama na aboa na nema etimi adadi na ne oro ani chimenu anum ha PFM for bobo den etimi eyen tutuye ya nkomodidie no no ene se yen legends a aboa abo yen football na abo ne yetitu no eyo mo bo mo de edwon mo na aso afcon no yetimi ereni bi eremo man Ghana obeki ya 63-65 no ana mo ne omo kokushia nkoma odo na etimi ewura na no edin ye papa na dedi kan no ene odo wani Chima na Jazepin Perfect Wilberforce Mfum Elmo Ebomo DN no edidi nkoma na nkoma didi no o kan se mi di chair the Ghana Football Association pay for say na Mfum Ebomo DN nkoma ni jai.
Yes. Everyone coach you know any year one at least you don't want to selection of black players or mobile and two heads of protocol has Olympics. The man who go Jimsy, maybe you keep on for 1 month. Yeah, near for camping 3 months or you guys. See, you for camping 3 months. No, February. Yeah. Never tell me that February the fourth and then what's my other? Who's going to give out what now feels can I use? The only one and anyone who go back, naked $1,000. They betray other programs. The war done here. Select you, yeah, we'll give up back. And I know last time we told you, never last time by the one over there. You team who run will never be more over here. And that's how we do it. the money of the local place in Boya, and a woman when $1,000 would be cheap up for
Eltia no ye command no na Jesse legend over Folsom Fuma Bomode Eddie Tuja Cheso Momon Pensono na the Black Stars and ye Tunsafi local guys na etimi e campo mo be Freeman tokra na ha na omufi kokoko bom matches outdoor na ozi di umare won ze na no de ya yen squad ye free obi wo unye bimbo oba no aba be jiska teche the local boys no chesa ska mudu na omana ba kwa na konkra odibisu na wetimi e di abobo no sanhye mudi na ene ozen pinfo outdoor na nye bomode ekokura mu kofi pare azo no na abeke a emrebi e ba be ko World Cup no ba be ka zo hwe sere ne me city ne de e ko na Ghana World Cup no ye ho kakri bi bitimi akwa akwajo camp na ko 42 mze he revenge asa Ghana ye kwa akwajo World Cup na kofi pare e bomode ono nso di nkoma akra na di sem no si no nso e bomode etimi edijai
so we bi e tie a e ti se team no wo nyina wo ye ba enye obi akobobo pass bi no wa ba se no nti wo ofu no e ti se wonya adwenkro no wo back won ho eno ne ade a wo kasa kire ya ye fa ya ye de ba ya ye ti ko eso no enti se obi ade a wa ye no mani hu se wa nye ni yi a de se wa yi na firim ye encourage no kakra na ai otimeto aso ade ke tuwe bi
Eltia no so ye command no na Jezopin pa na ball mo de retuja Jeza mpa mo penso de boa e mo gigi trophies ni bi no cheze obi ye mfonso a enye park no zo akwe akomia wasa ade na pass no amfa osi dabi e wozo ye mfonso na wechi na mo dididi mo nkomo no na beboa ma ne ma de di impreti mi ara mo pin pa ye friend Leonard Aqua eso ewramu e wodwumadi enim na me kora makwa akuti bare no ntuto mu no ye kone akuti Tony Bafo ono so ruamu ebomode kokodi no nkomo kakra ne nyina ye legends no na ni no na ye bomode a ye nuanu ma PFM4 SLBT omo izanzo omo girizi edwuma mo ye de me 63 65 no na ano edin ye papa na Tony Bafo ne nkomo no so di ruano say no bomode kan nsem no
how great these men were and still are. You know, sometimes when I travel across the regions, across the countries, I look left, I look right. When I'm in Kumasi, I see the Heroes Park, but not one picture of the heroes. We have our office inside the Accra Sports Stadium. Not one entrance is named after our heroes or after our teams. 1963 AFCON winning squad, etc. We have the Starlet Street. Good. But, you know, they were the youngsters who gave us the first World Cup, but they gave us the first star on the jersey. How great these men were.
Etia no so ye command Tony Bafo bomode ere tuja jezampa ni otutu tukwanko baby bebre na mum no oba be ramuti sa no hu Heroes Park a bibia encheze zampin fo wi no no kalis e wo so mum fonya na bibi na hu ana weni age oro ani chemo nkra bibia ye bomode di edwuma no honso kwa nheda hu hwe fanfom we wom se ene wo street bia nemu e de ama national under 20 no obeka 2009 omo na bomode a abirima omudi kan kro mo je the World Cup na no wo ma juma de nanso no Ghana se ne ebe hye jesi no nanso no man nine na egu no omo boa di kanje ba akode men ye sampinfu ya ewo se hwe na ye show mani munyam na ebo amane mada ye pere ma nanso no asa now sa de no entimi enramo se na me kan no pin perfect Leonard Aqua menim ze no no atutuma yenko na yenko nkotuo no so ne nsema obo mode adwuma de na se no ono so de ba bejai. Alright, me etuma mebo modern na makona makwa akudidi nkomo no ana aboa na ne ma de ye preti miera mana mo mesa ba na baba beto so aseda nko enfama aboa fo mu kra ase ba ne ba betram ye djuma no etimiera ma obo heba a medical research center yes ne o akomare ho hawa owura mo masyo mbere ni aboa na wagia na so na ne ma akoye preti miera ma djuma di omudi no ya de ano eden papa yeso nyensusanso no ebiti se ewo ana uti no e pai wo gagabo so akoma ne bon tete na afri mu jabro so eden wajima na
asa nanse acho na bonse wa bre na afo akoma no eyo ya na wani so ahase etwubo so okon yo ya na afo bonso no o hya ase nya se pains na eba na won se bibi yesi 29 na se tu anamona kokowura mo ewo bo hebe medical research center bebo na ya hwani tu ase na timi era mana ya wawodo na omobo modi etimi so ano hepatitis diabetes opeba unya bi namiaye edunya typhoid fever na afi no kidney disorders and afi ulcer ene de kaka no ye bebo na ne makuye de ama opomo a oro ni chemu ado ato adumanu last stop bibi asofu ma me ton dokno no omone sofu ma me nye ne di ni me for my number 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 na 0249 761 580 0249 761 580 na ne yambo na ne mandela ye pa mfa mo bo adwuma from Jordan Kokusi memenda anope bia no so abono de kokuram zenyume nonum ebebo de apa mu no 7 o'clock am de ko ekokuram 5:30 am no ne ahwe aye adwuma na tibia ma Sompa sika promotion ene anope bia ye transfer 500 Ghana cedi mienu enti 1000 Ghana cedi eche etimi de man crofon to the anzo be fa code no na odi ato exactly 9:30 on full time no na wawramu star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na boana hye na da ye pa edi amade yanze wonye du mfie du nwotwe eno nso krechi no ade ba ko esan hia pa ne se ni o MTN mo ba na sa qualifiable code ni shema pe Sompa kuma se wa fe no wa twe de gum na boana ne ma da ye pa edi ama 21st ken examen ka enva Josebra na abra be romo maso no mo na eboa ama na wegia na so agia na so ye ni na se siatica ho nkomo wa transi ama to asinti na twetwon ama na ante na bibio ena afie romo se echu bibia ene wa we ya na oba aba bibubu nti no ma na nyansa na siatica de o 21st dia na na agbo no to na watumri kan tetemizanse ho no ene eboa hwie mu ehu de na nso ma yare ne ba na afie na mo a yebetu etimi aso ano na onso anya afa ho de nya no nkon ya wa wodo na fruity so ba eba bisu na ase no yebetimi aboa ebi etisa hypertension stroke and afi diabetes ne de aka kani na no yehwe na ndiaso ano na hyehyɛ na dadi pa etimi edi ama na uru amomaso ya laboratory services ne koso na scan services no ekoso ye fa na massage ene ya eno nso mu damu fu a weekend bi ato for na je ye the machine treatment no ebe kan we beboa ma honam no SCC so ho so pa more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omu ye adwuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omu be na free radio oboase council quarters cordian shubinyo omu akra do me market no unyo omu na sunyana nkranza ne techiman bibia omu ne ye adwuma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 niamwa na hyehyɛ no enkoyi kama pa entimi emfa amount yana yento ansem no so etimi emfa ma de amnim gramo we ne ready enko ne enkokutuo pimpa your friend Leonard Akwa ono so dwuma de na asene nsema obomode etimi edijai
nti ese o manu so ebomode se obehwe se wo mu eyiri ohono na obanu so edi ayi modern born na se ya wo mu asitra enye basa ti se yenia ye wogi minka se ya asitra ye badan edu bebi aya na etimidi ayo ho pa eno na mpesa meka o manu ese o ye se bosha o mrisi ye no o amaso amaso entio sano me sano me na enye se wo hwe kropisua enka footballers say yenum tenu enka kinyina ki asetna mu ye
Etiano ye command pay pa friend Leonard Akwa bomb de two journey in a boa man ma daddy pa ko sike akono former coach the Black Stars of Ghana we didn't come akra era fa Chris out of the AFCON ayeko Akwa kujana see na pimpa na bomb de nsem no etimi ejai
I know what he's going through. It's a difficult path. Sometimes you can get confused, especially when the whole nation at you know. But I think we need to be calm. There's a need for calmness, whereby we prepare very well. We are focused. and have a strategy as to how we can go into this tournament. And so it's a big deal for us as a football nation, but we need to calm down and allow him to prepare the team very well adequately so we can go to this tournament and do well.
Etiano ye command ekosiki akono bo modere tu jazampa yenyamre etimi enfama krisuti no nyanto base NCC no NCC team no emfanko enkokuru amumbo edwuma na emwana ne mandeda yepa etimi emfa ema yemfio ne emra club issues kakra idmonaka pimpo bo edwuma de masama teso edin koma kreda fa imano ekeke ho na oze gege be zinvimi no baba be join o dwuma de odi no ano edin se na idmonaka enso edin nkomo no ejai
Kayeke have shown the 2 seasons on here and Antemo. Or you'll be a show leadership, or you'll be all inspiring to the young players. A commitment to the club to the extent that when we went to the away match against Buffalo, he had a meeting with the players and told them, say a more draw away, among bonus. Now we all have to win because a resolution from management level, and they will not be happy to play draw against Buffalo and take bonus. Rather, no, they will rather want to win. And the leadership, they communicate this way in my. There's a million in say supporters no so say team no there maybe a person see you doing there but I see you that way winning mentality no e did your players to almost take our decision.
Etiano ye command epimpa no abomode etimi Nigeria MTN Africa draw no etimi ashasia ne yebe na ya abomode na update outdoor na banamum a standing gamer eka mu no ye mediama na ne omo ehosti Baseke Holy Stars orwani HM ewa Kun Park game no enya ashasia sa no bia mposo ne yokwatena Ricardo Mamere mediama lineup no Abdul Jabbar Era Pusu Baba Musa Mando Osai Bernardino na fe yewo Hamidu Fatao ne yewo Kofi Babel Ajiman Joshua Kofi Asma Azaria Fojo ena yewo Ngosuno Jakpasu era fe Mahachi Kudakwashi ena Ebenezer Nkrumah eti omo na emranti ani omashase neri amomwa ye na ne madadi benchi ono yo Kubi Batue Anoba Adade Aban Lomote ena fe omo kaika no ewo ma ehwe ze bibia dadi omonso no benya akwanya ba ababe ram na ya boama na ma dadi pa di game no ora ya ba akwa enim obi amposo ne yonkwatena ni nyina mu no ehwe na update bia no ya bomodi na ye refiwe di aba na aboa na ntutu na dadi impera master ye raso gina ma ye bomodi edidi nkomo on the club issues no ye mfie ni nchemu akra te focus ye nra ne ma dadi ma NCC ne kokoko hie no mu hie no era omze na no referee no ba be di game no from no so kokoko see the fourth official na ififo ne man ne omizanze omedwuma no mba be no omamboa so omamane omo matches there e masa ankofo ne mbembi say na NCC paying preference every says ma junior e bomode team erijai.
If it's going to continue this way, we want to assure the general public, we want to assure our supporters that the NCC will never sit down and watch referees determine the outcome of our matches again. And henceforth, or from this afternoon, we are appealing to the GFA to, as a matter of urgency, suspend all the 3 or 4 match officials that officiated the Alcohol Kotoko match on Sunday. I mean, from the middleman to the 4th referee, everybody should be suspended and investigation carried out, because we, the supporters, believe that there was something hidden in that decision, because it was so obvious. And the assistant the assistant 1, I would want to put his name out for people to know. Ali Timwaban, that is the assistant 1, Ali Timwaban, if he is listening to me, we believe that decision, he should have prevented it. But because he knows what he was doing, he insisted and collided with the other officials, and they allowed that goal to stand. If these referees are not suspended, then we are sorry, they should not be allowed to officiate any of our matches, especially at home matches.
Etiano ye commande Orwani Chema VCC ma junior abomode dia baba betudwa chezeza refisi ne de mo matches yo mu hion mo bi omugidi se adwuma na baba be na mo ne omo enni ye kra na Kobe Jones o kasa de ma supporters so edin koma akra ze kumase ne de kra no pe na no ne mo baba famu no ogidi so matches na akọ mebo no ofie ni so mo ba tamale kra omonko no omonko nkobo no se no so bo mo de den sem no ejai.
So I know in the future we will not think about taking our matches to Kumasi because it will not help us.
The idea is you should even go to Tamale. We'll be interested in going to Tamale than going to Kumasi. This one is a board decision, and I believe when we have meeting with them, we also tell them because we were on the ground, and it's not everything that we can tell you people. There are things that happen to us. If I tell you that Saturday night we didn't sleep, you will not understand.
Because we went there, that's why they got our advantage. If we had played this match here, like I was telling you, we would have beaten them. Because, I mean, in recent time, we beat them every time. We beat them. Last year we beat them. That would have beaten them again. But it has happened. So, I mean, we'll learn from all these issues so that next time when we are taking decisions, we know how to.
Etiano ye commande paying perfect Kobe Jones or Casere ma supporters na bomodere to ya Steven Tornado Apia edin komeda fa kra to fokunzo jinamu ebu edwumede momwa na Apia nkoma odidi afa so no see no densem e bomode jai.
Class of food that we know is not what we're saying today. I mean, they are finding it difficult to win games that we think that they will win. So, but we have to know something that today football is football. Gone are the days where you have only 2 or 3 teams. I mean, Kotoko class of folk that they have all the best players. So you will see them winning and winning. But this day we have teams like Mediama. You have other clubs who are doing so well. So it's very, very competitive, and then they should know that. I mean, going on the pitch is not about Accra as of it's about what you do on the pitch. So I think that's what the team is like.
Etiano ye nkoma ye former captain Steven Apia abomode die afa ne former club Accra to Fokun ye mra na medi nkomo krobia Kumasi Asante Korokona Steven Odru say Africa no mo ntimi anje no ono ade ahintasem bia bana ahintasem no de bae no see no bomode cheche ni semere foul players no.
I say, some old players, no. The point never try dressing room, no. On by of the Quasa for the minute Chiamaka. Old players, no. I can move a son of a cat in so. Old players, no. Old players, no. Obama, almost one can buy an on support to it. Omni take camp for the side and body warm meeting. Kotoko old players. I'm catching. I said, if you look at a double interview. Going to players on board, we have been so this case. Almost say a private share, the magic car, private car, Tom Mudino. I won't pay that. I never try dressing room. On by of the Quasa for the minute Chiamaka. Old players, no. I can move a son of a cat in so. Old players, no. Old players, no. Obama, almost one can buy an on support to it. Omni take camp for the side and body warm meeting. Kotoko old players. I'm catching. I said, if you look at a double interview, going to players on board, we have been so this case. Almost say a private share, the magic car, private car, Tom Mudino. So I won't pay that.
Etiano ye commande na why no Steven Odru abomode de ababa betu ya jezo Africa no manyu no anyway ni ade na we are abzazem we mu edupa Richmond Lamptey inform Richmond Lamptey na Lamptey din komo de di kan e bisa no na to for game a omo enya ren no munya no se no musifa no se na obomode o chechinsi no mu che
no kremia the tennis say you call match when you call game with determination saving match I'm supporters now young players can say a little bit disappointed because of our young team and take their chances and as a professional player you better trust the quality and some of the credits and my boys say I'm coaches instructions I'm go according to the practice of the coach and some of the credit.
Etiano ye commande obomode timeri ja ni nyina bo amane makoye perema na ye to aso ebisa no se nei ofa bibia na chese ye bona baso mankofo kweka se entun san fero no ma meja fama the Black Stars of Ghana na san komo no ye otete ase no sie fa no eno so anu yisi na Richmond Lamptey ebomode timeri ja
no kremia matetini na Now, as a player and as a professional player, and OTBC, you might tell me that memory was all work hard. So I'm not the home, the team P. In terms of so, Mema, the same enemy there, and I said, Menda, because I work hard.
Etiano ye command is obo di timere tuja after no kasafa za kunyana bosi aka okumas baba sports you na fe no Isaac upon Nema ne form isi awafa any prana pra kwa ba no and also see na Lamti ebo di timi edijai
no cre to say me say me bobo baba because of pitch the size and pitch na does compared to other venues no I think say baba yara far better. And supporters now, especially when we say who supporters now many aji. Now some more so energy. So in to say body, say the Atlante, and I say the body Ansu, and I say Isaac Opon. And you can so much in your day. Name will be more. Isaac Opon coming back now, manager because as a player who face injuries and shouldn't easy and Maldrin and Onshan fan easy and to the Muslim I am to me corner advice and can say Chale a be so that's as a coupon coming back and all qualities be or game in my boy a boy pa.
Etiano ye command ni obo de tiri jadi repoa ba le ba de di pet bi ere me ni adia na mixer 5G mizo fruit drinks ya cancer smancy drinks me no aye gina ye de abode so na abo na bibia akoye pet me ra me ne onya mixer 5G ni bi na abobo e ma hoden sonko e ma ujian na so ma ne ma koye pa etimi e de ma na afi mizo fruit drinks no e no so ye ti na ye na aba bedi to na aba de dodo na aba bi hiem no obo de na utimi ewuram na adwia e boa na ne ma koye kama pa so no etimi e de amana ntote no ada ye pretimi arabanti fana mai na tonkra na yemro 0246 2702210 0246 2702210 and 0558 1063480 0558 1063480 abe heba clinic mamia be semenka nyamfa chose ne ramne mboa na ne amanda ye penfa mana ze baby ba kwa ye dia bibidro pa eje nkofo efi wom ni ade eje nkofo nkwan ya be heba clinic mami ne too much oye bema na wadi niswa opeso bijama and from Wiser to Beam Nation and if no your beam leaders no wa ba where akomia zela where movement na kansa word movement no na where bibu dia na uza pa beam for na bejuma na we beam nation e be beam for la bali aje bi ko be moka na Wiser for le dia ye minia de ni so akoma me ne be boa na wa ma de na ekesia na we jaw na so na ne ma koyi kama peti mera ma na mi ayi bi ohwe e di fi na afi no oh yeah abezo yo ba obama if you try you post second sells and some akwara no wuda ma miti asi nyambe bo ama bana nya ya isa try your etu asi second sell test or scan test or tan so apatrapa new site or bena apatrapa junction of an number no 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 na 0506 460 208 0506 460 208 na nemboa na nemande da yipe fa menko meza ma men chance en views we dem komo no what dodo na
no cre abudi abia me say chimno antikutuku do nsem na ni kakaka let me say which may taken with a pinch of salt, dependent on Nipa no more as legends of the club as at that particular time. You wouldn't kind of equate it to or maybe you're currently closer to the team when it comes to legends or mobile Kotoko. But I feel say it is something that the club will also have to look into. But let me say Akupa was strong case power IV.
Yeah, ampa.
Akupa was strong consistency. That one in fear. Now, every club needs your more form. Definitely, you can never do away with them. And any the issue, no, you can't do away with the legends of the club. You can't. But the only thing you try and make sure so bit media to come a bit in Abua. They say at least they wouldn't put their personal interest ahead of the club. And then your man there win. And almost some more tie kabos no more more ya de ama so club no kosopa. I could confidently say the last time I got to winning league under Prospogum. Almost play almost be 30% to 40% part of the reason why a club need league and the Ugum. What did they mention as no? With how they contributed, and then no crown. On say Heinz will be on the more every month. Team new winning game they also somewhere. So if you have an interest, you definitely contribute and make sure at the end of the day, you know, you bet my become was about it in a long run. No, I think it's some way somehow they may bet my Steve Rojo may be right in terms of for moon maybe to be no me ne krumas in kwane abu amanoni in a bio your uncle football on mob now one the Tory Cruise the Jubilee am nana one
oh yeah
Judah pigeon is your head. Remember, fancy for me. Or Robert or say, Jude Crop share belter the whole bench. Did there? Sorry, Kojano. To the crusade, the house with the right. You see, there are some people are naturally they are that way. Intimacy, son, but the only way they say, oh man, no, a negative impact on whatever you are doing. You take it or you hold the bed as a pinch of salt. You pick it up. Now, if you work on yourself and make sure at the end of the day, you submit mark a resource. Meaning, Kotoko, Tembia, the bedding couldn't die. It's a day to go to class we are Kaide. When we say Ashika, and there was a club near the future. But on a more substantive issue, one person may come once a day. House of folk, Elvis more. As a grown yard also do.
I don't know what grow.
You see, first of all, interview no question Manchester United JC to so interview House of
but also asem na e how pa
they toss me
oh yeah from United sem na so ujira zuma iso na we share Tottenham JC Man United fan why am from Buchiri Castle TV stage kese na share Tottenham JC and no be account as I board
as a journalist
no it's never true
I was speaking as a journalist
me
no I was speaking as a journalist yes
oh support team
be supporting Man United
as I want to support the team
or support Chelsea
me support the team
or support Real Madrid
and the other I am free mubu ana from
I was speaking as a journalist
as I want to me bio microphone no crab be defender no ye France ko come Manchester United asema na Manchester United for who shall Tottenham must be JC
Habib Tia I was speaking in the capacity as a journalist
the captain of the man na
caption well over there
Michael Akomia Jemfi
yes
sports journalist
Sompa TV
Omanya no Man U fan
Debbie
come here and Kamia Kamaje
and Manchester United PR na that's here
na sa
every man e kasa will tell you see ekuase Accra House of Folk NCC chairman national
and also last time I was on your program ni bi ebe to so alo wo twegu ase Michael Akomia Sompa TV Man United fan
oh Debbie
sports journalist
Debbie
sports journalist
omo trust president
program no kwa na
back
etimi koko yimra
ko yibra
channel pa me de say
yifa bra me hwen wa
uye ya pe ana Manchester United panyin pa na o wi ase ni nyina froze ana na we say ya fro o she Tottenham
DC me yibra
ma yi aba so ye nyina wo
eno nkopa won so a mo bebo game against Kumasi Asante Kotoko na mo be organize press conference Kumasi press conference ne kwa na mo sa so share 3 this organization inti mo be drew press conference na say 4 ne 4:30 na mo be game ni abo awie House of Folk lose game no masa akotena sia ye press conference we e can sem the far referees on abu if we should go back in the Ghana Premier League and look at various mistakes Abia House of Folk benefiting and go be a press conference come on mo be on there. I'm not saying the referee was right in some of the decisions he took in the match, but this is totally unnecessary. House of Folk problems now brought their motor to the usual. House of Folk is having problems with the goalkeeper. House of Folk is having problems with the striker. But you are here discussing things are a press conference way. And you are going to go and dinner with him and 10 baby. And Kobe Jones also 10 baby. And the caliber of House of Folk Abu standards are good. Standards are good. House of Folk will come from standards are good. If House of Folk supporters, national executives are doing this. Abba. No business na mo kwambo se munyimu game ni free Accra Sports Stadium mo famna baba yara. What is your alternative venue? Is it not Cape Coast?
Yes.
It's na ma de ba Kumasi. I feel that one man ayani they come on. Why are you trying to even be in the good books of the supporters? Whilst you can do something better, say the better season we bet me service season no. And now my dream na you almost say they failed Accra Folk supporters because they lost to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So they need to come and put themselves we are see afana nyina so omo na the good persons no na nipa na oba game na be decide game no mo do mo ni hu hwe sa na support club
Sign a supporting club. Elvis Ohepa. Ohepa as the chairman of the Accra Folk supporters. Ohepa.
The omo kind names on my chroma view.
Ohepa.
So we need the shows on my back.
Abu now my chroma numbiema. Now got to corona hano. NS Nebia Kobenya Nisika Kakra. But NS no so say no Ebi Olympics the Nedia Baba Media Mawaha. Dreams as you are. Omenya Olympics cross over. It is a woman. Olympics will be there. Oh, now when you have a new money, so the Beko Cape Coast, you take it there. No one forced you to take that decision. You've taken the decision. So also open who say a new maybe free one diabano. I was on a bay. And you'll be never bear. What bano be a press conference? I bet not supporters, Yamba supporters by your players disappointed. Players need disappointed. Now, Masako a press conference. And him Guasia Kwaba. Phobia. And him Guasia Kwaba. Elvis DNA. DNA. Where? Mudimina Chromo de Tour.
I'm sure on India.
Where? Almost so I'm
on winning and can't have a costume. Almost sure
press conference. And one
I NCC on that day.
And today, I will have just NCC in a press conference.
I say, you know,
there be a house of folk Nadio. Phobia, sure. My United supporters here demonstration. Now you see MUST, My United Supporters Trust. Obehuo. Say Chelsea for yeah, you see it. Then the Chelsea a house of folk almost supporters na ABB. Way Obibehu Obeju say a house of folk press and
supporters chairman it
no Jamaican. So Obibehu we ya. Who set up way. No who backdrop na. Obeju say a house of folk na a press conference.
But I know supporters no.
Yeah, no cre. No cre na make a chill. So as a support group, Oman Kasano, or more brand identity issues. A more side issue, no. The mechano make you address it this way. Ebesi asabana kumieka say na oye House of Folk related interview na o na Jesse Benation Manchester United Jesse. Your new maybe I know subconsciously, but indirectly it is impinging on your competence. Say a human now has a one tears here. This is a House of Folk dedicated press conference, but the supporters no NCC na organize. Nti die di kan no. It was a venue hono branded in House of Folk colors one, but there must be something that communicates to obi oba obi ani obi obenya hu video ahwe ne say NCC na edwumadi say ne ye baako. And it's not the only time on my way you. Amuba Kumasi beye omo we ne so sa. Did you see anything like that?
Dabi.
Good. If you want the club to upgrade in terms of Omunyu Media, Emuna was a lady the way. There has never been a time our football club, a Peje Drusra, and the supporters na influence that change. Madrid, yes, but for more. The supporters will start influencing the change and it will trickle down to how I'm paying for Benjamin. Barcelona the same. So supporters, no, you are the lifeblood of the club. Ebra obono, and a club so fast so ebobra sabra no. Hey, let me give you the typical House of Folk example. Omo come on and say omo tisi monte so demonstration. That same season, House of Folk won the league. True or false?
Come on, G.
Samo ke kamo huwa. Impenifon so beke kamo. Samo ya nyoma year. Ana mutimi jina so. Edi bi ya dance ya say. Yene de ye ni. And we have proven say yeah better than Montumosumonye say. This a poorly organized event and an initiative in terms of branding no one sense. And two, the communication. Adi our planning our no. Before so be bekas and will be an agenda whatever. If truly the NCC now say approve Kobe Jones the Okaina. Abu and yeah me boa funome
azem na Kobe Jones kai
say a press conference CSA Sompa ye press conference they are clarify issues they set the agenda ya wodi akomia beka na won't come and repeat it there meso meka enti edin kan hia ne atoato asa adwen no
o de befa
so per sa status quo no I want to believe say the Kobe Jones ubekano odinkani tuja ama the SEC chairman ne the approval team so
oji 2 months
anobeka enti ombo Kobe Jones video ni bio na member to aso Kobe Jones video ne say krada ombo ni bio na mentie na yento
video no na yenko
because it will not help us. The idea is you should even go to Tamale. We'll be interested in going to Tamale than going to Kumasi. This one is a board decision, and I believe when we have meeting with them, we also tell them because we were on the ground, and it's not everything that we can tell you people. There's things that happen to us. If I tell you that Saturday night we didn't sleep, you will not understand.
Because we went there, that's why they got our advantage. If I play this match here, like I was telling people, we would have beaten them. Because, I mean, in recent time, we beat them every time. We beat them. Last year, we beat them. That would have beaten them again.
Ntiabu, next 7 say, and they, you know, say, but that was a house of folk. I was so much choose between Tamale and Kumasi. They won't hesitate. In 10 times, when I'm call a Tamale, because Kumasi, no, Sabi Omenya son faso. They are the only football club Abebo Bowaha, also when Yason faso. Adanse or Black Stars, Media Manche piano by Dreams FC. House of Folk can saying. So you find say visiting clubs on Mabahano. Omo Mediama has Dreams FC. Olympics they are feeling no Bentien Shedam Fanen Count. 3 clubs, Emubako, and never out to be complaining. The Black Stars say the senior national team, they've never complained about Kumasi. Into 4 teams, 1 of them complains. 3 are very much satisfied with Kumasi ne how you see Gio Omwa. There's something wrong with House of Folk fans in Ibi. Especially their leadership. So Kobe Jones being an okasa same way. 1 or show ungratefulness to the media.
Yes,
or show ungratefulness to even House of Folk fans no more hana or more play part in the organization. 3 to a year NSM penny for no more facility so. And then to almost every other stakeholder honestly involved that I mentioned. So Kumasi amwa omo the omo face wo Kumasi no e better so mbeko Tamalia. I am shocked and unya NCC chairman or approve we say brabeka in this period the message that you need to spread a message that at least a galvanize and your message at the ebufu no o she na ebufu more. And a message at the you don't offer any assurances. It is worrying.
That's happening there.
Now, Elvis is say ref in the Molusu game. No, it is not true. House of Folk in the year 2023, we need 2 games to grant to us with that. And I'm stating this as a fact. Our first game in 2023, the 2nd of January 2023, Omuni Bechem Kosho 2-1. Omo last game about 2023. The Omoni Asante ko kwabo no Enrichia. They will play another game before if you know what so many nations bebo. Good. 2023 sequence matches on Mabono. Omo we need 2 grand to us. They have lost more games than won in the year 2023.
Yes.
Oma draw more games than won in the year 2023. This is not a team or what form Molusu game who throw tantrums. And you're referring to no Molusu game no. There were other serious factors to consider. Molusu game no. 1, a poor goalkeeping department. Intende Tiano. House of Folk team ni a standout goalkeeper at number 1. And even an equally good backup in times of need obe rely on. Omubet me domo says your mobo say. Go now mukwala show mo no. A referee me show mo. Sa back pass na be mine. A referee.
David.
First goal no mu consider a referee.
David.
House of Folk team no attack. In the last 3 or 4 seasons, House of Folk strike a BNO a wash bro 10 goals.
They don't know say issue na da ho achepa.
Enti o team na wo ho no. Sabi o team na yare. Yare kese wo team nim. Onsa yare no. Na yare na ebo no. Amawa dadem be 2 weeks. O say omo be ye adwuma bi wa ha na mfuturo na efa memu na mentimi ansore na manye adwuma. How is this laudable? Club nankasa nyomo omo ye no enam baby. na supporters na kasa kra combat me abo atwe adwen so no impenifo no mudi omanim no so kra so de no kra de enkakra
Big about your charm and Ubishia. I'm for Bibu. I live now Umpombo Code.
Be fine.
Na that day. Zanka last man kakra we.
That was unfortunate, but I say we never ending.
Warriors. We are the victory warriors there. And if there's a do with the Kamu, where you cry but.
Nipa Juma. Sometimes the beat me see. Your fans are one of them. Yeah.
What you could refuse on the what?
And you're sure your boy Empire say going forward, we be saying CB. As a club, we are doing everything within our means to prevent such incidents.
But I'm a kind supporters on Munyamputre. The football need
we've done our part. I can't say supporters no because so. A bit me I am from with David. And you be Biana officials in a bit me sometimes. Yes, you but I feel say referees can also do better. Sometimes they can be. The referees need to be more than what they normally do. Because sometimes and football emotional there. So be attached to something. Sometimes they does something out of emotions. Obe we ne bia ordinate national busano. The entire oye say ya. Obakachi also unya second thought but no didn't care. That not said, nobody will justify anything out of violence. Nobody will justify that. But like I said, referees know to improve upon and near 1 or 2 beer in games. Say by emfa bibi etisa emfama. So going forward ne bin CB.
Mate yankweni. And that what TTT common bia. I mean the legends and also
yes, but 30 seconds on how to fuck. Look, club near club for a couple of years now, team in the direction. So any an institution, so direction any ma sa neba. Number 1, Kobine Chairman Hesi. Ambeso mukachire say nipa na we influence the decision for House of Folk to come play their home games our babayara no. Now supporters no were not involved. Say ye ji omadwenche no mo jitum for the first place ebaya. Why here? I don't know what can we. Number 2, say anjo omadwenche enso no matwe am ya bebo first one na wie na do ya ba. They failed their supporters group.
Yes.
But Chairman Hesi board ne so. Until you represent the supporters. Board need to keep decision because has the management didn't make us say omukra no direction. Management definitely management will take that decision. So how many person ye team in the home matches this period. Then the management will inform the board. Board no any be approve whichever decision. In this case, management anyway, so whatever it is, a board need decide of which Chairman Hesi was part of that board. And also a part of that board. In the one legitimate from the onset at the mobile. Number 2, ABR Chairman Hesi is not into football administration running how it is. But Apostle look, and there's a league Kruma, Premier League Division 1, Division 2. If we are present and also provided what we call the compliant form. So Obo match now for say referee Abudi be match at Tiame. Was me. If na ma ho kwan say minute 1 and a decision be by ACC wa o make sure say ojo it minute 1 decision we na offside referee na just offside result 2 into go minute 2 minya penalty referee na minute 5 say ni see and this am fall say referees ni be ye niam bia anko ya. It is not up to the supporters leadership to declare say referees no omo ni ho kwan so omo di House of Folk matches. Any league match it is not in the powers of the supporters, but it is up to those in charge of club administration to write to the FA say boy now your boy minute say you see if the referee sit and assess video now a buy and what near now the buy now they force a referee a 1 or 2 and near maybe a force I'll say a trainer one. We based on that they are suspended and also your punish the said referee, but you don't come out organize press conference and tell the entire nation or supporters say referees we say ya mba ni omo na yeshi omo baby ye enim de ye betu ye hofo and no you are inciting the supporters against the referees.
Yes.
Wherever they meet them genuinely referee betima a human error openi obi be fam radio ase ni se magazu we kra
sa na o
ho adwon bo sa na o ti match usisi no be the nensako can be. We are snack. I feel there are right things they need to do in its appropriate manners. Than say, 10 be organize a press conference. I come here, Mickey, I can't. How your organization city. Mickey, you were talking about supporters. And they said, I'm not for anything. I just me supporters. Did you watch the last press conference? Now, the board, the 3 wise men, you know, probably my glazers, no here or meeting. You saw anything and nature say, or me a house of food company for. Good. And this a board now because I create him your press conference now.
That's not they put by Glazers.
Yeah. They behave like Glazers of Manchester United. So almost supporters name Paul Massem. But yet almost said man fan to that is what I mean.
I don't want to feel Glazers.
Now Manchester for the so big Glazers. Team normally at all. Omon Cotton I come down for you by Jimmy Wan man is saying. How many percent number there man?
25.
Yes, see Mpu. But some turn 25 minutes, I could 75. It's been a way we put English the same thing. All the two, I feel say, the legends, then seminar, or my catching. We can pick in 20, but for 7 and 1. We're speaking as seminar, and that's what it speaks full to everybody. Say, when you're Kakrebi, and what travel outside the shores of Ghana to where they appreciate legends are, you understand now seminar better. To be very honest, Offer nipa 10 out of the street. Now we saw we say Heroes Park. What is the meaning of Heroes Park? 8 out of 10. In him say you didn't keke and that so nobody knows it. They Anna and Kofukubi for what they did for the nation. 8 out of 10. Most especially. And they as offer Ghana, you see a total population here 31 million and no crime so mobile. Because the last time I'm kind Ghana for me more or mankind meaning so kind with their nti any word that I see.
Omoji yo. Ona won zo omo kan bo. Omoji say me omo kan na me nifi.
If you am team me ba me bisa so mba omo so ma nti me I have stated everywhere say o man kan me. If you hold nipa and that time na me te kwa mu nipa ufio na ye boro be 30. Omo so ma fi ho. Design nipa 30 na there are a lot of people young kan mu nti 30 omo boa. But how dey no 20 how dey fa na 30 no. You assume without admitting it. Kwaku 60% of 30 no. The success of young minor when it comes to football asem and decide 60% most of 60% say no money in Accra name what Heroes Park and one what those things means enti senkofu we bi mu da so ti ase baba ya ran dey ya or a former player and any din da so ntia no dey something enko yet to oman mu say politicians esi ade a omo project no mo din dey atoso. But football facilities are and the legends need be edin beto so. Near the akai omono. You see, the politicians they answer kwako so but I couldn't see tamale no. Once the politicians they atoso. So who rat tamale crew no I was there 3 weeks ago. Now Abedi Pele, my name is boss. I kai baby Abedi na the state unisi na run about no. And the state una eni hobi. Very good. State the politician did it, but look. There is no single player from the northern part of the land. Wait me, Ghana ni nyina he's exactly. So what it means is that from the northern part, Abedi is the greatest. Say you're not careful, he continue to be the greatest over the northern part of the kingdom come. Yet the only idea now the can is that the can is dance and we don't know a pijama na back. Never run about and also Abu for years. Obianya hoshe
ba stadium na
the politician did that so they na me come from asem na me ka kire o enne Ali Mama stadium no openi ura conference we na ye the wedding reception birthday reception na me kodru obi akwa ne wedding ye kotwa cake e pop champagne na gufom asai tiles ne niam nyina nobody's doing anything about it
abi mate mezano we share me na
I say baba yara and now say any other stadium e wo kro my see no bias stance nibi like okwa abruchi ye wo Manchester mo enu okwa mo venue exactly nti say ye ohini jan die later on ye kaka see ye every hot akwa kana Accra Sports Stadium see ye nya baby a great players nibi now to think say coach Ben and Aba Ghana in terms of club side and in why successful more than Jones Atiko few
Mate time so why Ghana abi me de man si me ko why that dey akibia to us why